Come on, open your present.
Jackson, get out of the movie for a minute.
Go ahead. Let's see it. From Mommy and Daddy. This could be a little while, folks.
She's just in your cupboard.
Open it. Who are you talking
What
to?
is that?
Maddie.
Why don't you pull those pink things? What is it? Oh, what is it? It's your own baby. It's your first baby doll. Can you pick her up and show us? Oh, you like her? Oh. Go ahead, pick her up. Oh, what a good mommy. Good job. Oh, yeah, give her a kissy. Give her a kissy. Okay, good job, Maddie. Psst, psst. What's happening?
Look at the pretty face. Look at the pretty girl.
Oh, is that Tiger? With his do-rag?
Okay, give her a kiss and say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Give her kisses. Can you give her a kiss?